Just want to show a quick video of the pomegranate. This here is my wonderful pomegranate. Got a couple knockoffs from the chickens jumping up in the trees and stuff, but it's coming along. She's about I would say about 10 feet tall right now, but about 11 feet tall at its widest. Very unique, beautiful blooms. Look at that, just like children. Ruby girl, you see them chickens? You can hurry up and take y'all out to the land. Just want to show them off real quick. Everybody stay safe, stay blessed, keep growing, and see you in the next one.